Are you looking for a relatively new 3-bedroom condo that has an unblocked view and is nestled in a private enclave? Your search ends here at the eCO. Hi, I'm Lorrain from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I have a 3-bedroom high floor unit to show you. eCO is nestled at Bedok South Avenue 3, surrounded by landed houses and plenty of amenities. Getting around is easy with the Tanah Merah MRT. It's only 400 short stroll away. You can get your retail therapy fixed at the Bedok Mall or Changi City Point. For your children's education, there are many schools in this area. Temasek Primary and Bedok Green Primary are within 1 km. Anglican High, Temasek Secondary and Temasek Junior College are the more notable schools. And did I mention that Singaporeans' favourite East Coast Beach and Changi Airport are just a short 5 to 10 minutes drive? You will enjoy this wonderful location that gives you everything that you need. eCO is developed by a renowned developer, Far East Organisation. You and your family can enjoy hours of endless fun at the barbecue area, clubhouse, lap pools, playground, tennis courts and also a sky pool. This high floor 3-bedroom 1023 square feet unit comes with a good sized balcony and you enjoy breeze throughout the whole entire year. You can whip up a good meal and invite your friends over to enjoy this mesmerizing view that this unit offers. The bedroom sizes are good and the layout is well designed to meet your family requirements. The best part about this listing is that it is well priced at only 1,005 PSF, with new launches slated to hit 2,000 PSF in the coming year. Don't you think that this is a steal? Grab it before it is too late. Call me at 973222599 for exclusive viewing and you will be the new proud owner of this house.